Thank you.
Yeah, so this is for our asset management. So imagine you have one tag attached to the asset. So you can just scan it. So once you scan already, you can able to see the asset details like the manufacturer details, the logo, CV number, asset description, the site of the asset location, as well as the pre-use check, the date and time, as well as the geolocation. If you click onto the link, it will prompt you to the Google Map where you will be able to know where is the last pre-use check area. Okay, so if you have maintenance function, you can also, once you do the maintenance already, you'll know when is the next maintenance due, so you won't miss the maintenance schedule.
Okay. So what devices does it work with? Like what are you scanning? What is it scanning in particular?
Okay, so depending on which kind of asset, so
Okay.
whatever asset that you want to manage, you're able to tag it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
for example, in the lifting industries, we will be like equipment,
Oh,
like
equipment. Okay.
machineries,
Oh,
as
okay.
well as
Okay.
also forklift.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
those.
for the information about the equipment, do I need to put it in myself?
Yes.
I need to put in the
Yeah,
information.
yeah, you need to put it in, register the first time via the dashboard, and then
Okay.
you're able to access it using your mobile.
All right.
Yeah.
And so, is there any way like AI is involved, or is there any
Uh,
feature of AI being used, like in
no,
this
for
feature?
this, yeah, for this, no AI being
Oh no,
used.
no
Yeah,
AI being
yeah.
used.
So it's basically done by manually,
Okay.
but
Okay.
we just enhance the feature without using paper and pen.
Oh,
Yeah, we
okay.
just use the app.
Or do you think in future, do you think AI might be used? Like maybe
In
in the
our
next,
app,
yeah, 10 to 15 years, maybe, do you think so?
not quite
Like
sure.
maybe for getting the information, like to auto, like getting the information for, instead of people having to put it inside first time, maybe there might be a way like they can automatically just get the information.
Oh, okay. So we have a function that if you don't want to manually input,
Okay.
we will have like a Excel sheet.
Oh, exactly.
So you
Okay.
can put it in the Excel first, and then you just
Okay.
upload.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Upload.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So for the documentation part, you're able to access to the asset of the certificate,
Okay.
as well as the user instruction guide. So the documentation you can access via the app versus earlier you require to get hard copy, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's like easier access. Okay, and the highlight will be the pre-use check. So usually in the past we always use paper and pen, and then you need to transfer the data to the laptop, right?
Okay. Yeah. That's
So it's like a double job. So now we integrate everything using an application. You can
Okay.
customize the number of questions and the
Okay.
criteria. So it's
Okay.
like a yes no answer. You can just
Play.
yeah, just follow the criteria to make the checking.
Oh, okay.
So if
Okay.
you found anything abnormal, you can
Okay.
also put
Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, thank you so much. Yeah, really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you very much.